Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to compress a video without losing quality. Let's get started. The first step is to open any browser and search for a free converter. You can click on the first link that appears or directly access the video compressor tool. Once you're on the website, navigate to the Tools section and locate the video compressor option under File Compressor. Click on it to proceed. Now, choose the file you want to compress. You have the option to select a file from your device, Google Drive, or using a URL. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop the file into the designated area. As shown, the file size is currently 82 MB. You have the option to change the video format by clicking on the drop-down menu. Various file formats are available. For this demonstration, MP4 will be used. Additionally, clicking on the gear icon provides access to advanced options, including the choice of video codec. In the compression method, the default setting is on percentage, indicated by the slider. For instance, it is currently set to 60%, but you can adjust it to 50% or any other desired value. Alternatively, you can choose to target a specific file size. For example, if the original video is 82 MB and you want to compress it to 40 MB, you can input that target file size. Alternatively, you can choose to compress the video based on video quality or video resolution. If you scroll down, you'll also find an option to add subtitles if you have any. Once you've adjusted the settings according to your preferences, simply click on Apply Settings to initiate the compression process. Once the compression process is complete, click on the Download button. If you open the original and compressed files side by side, you'll notice that the compressed file is now under 40 MB. If you compare the quality between the original and compressed video, you'll see that there is no noticeable downgrade in video quality. And that's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.